Hi, I'm Maverick and welcome to Build.com's Unique Spaces, where we take a look at new and exciting approaches to home improvement. Today we're actually back on my property and we're going to take a look at my outdoor bath setup. We're up in Northern California. It gets pretty hot in the summers, and my wife and I like to enjoy evenings outside. And I thought, what a better way to do that than having an outdoor tub. And at Build.com, I was inspired by this vessel tub and this tub filler with the telephone style handle. So let's take a look. So the great thing about this vessel tub is it's acrylic, which means that it's actually pretty light and easy to transport. And it's very modern, which really elevates this country style. This tub actually is just draining directly into our flower garden over here. We just use all natural products when we're using this tub so as to not be harsh on the plants or on the ground. This telephone style tub filler has this classic touch that really ties the farmhouse vibe together out here. I was able to install this little pony wall, just did some hardline copper on the back. This is just a little on-demand hot water heater hooked to a 5-gallon propane tank. So after we got the products installed, I got some copper piping and made some curtains, and it really ties the whole look together. So this really wasn't that big of a project. I just found a couple of items at Build.com that really inspired me, and I built a space around them. Honestly, an evening out here underneath the stars, underneath these trees is so spectacular. It's so relaxing, and I would highly suggest putting a bathtub outside. For more videos like this one, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and head on over to Build.com for everything you need for your next project. Now see you in the next space.